You're a small business owner and you're here because you want to find out what you really should be spending money on. I can tell you because I have been there. So stay tuned. So here are my 5 things that you shouldn't be spending on. And I'm going to tell you them in no particular order because there's really no order when starting out a small business because you just want to be successful. You just want things to work for you. One of the first things that you shouldn't be spending money on is ads. If you don't have a good product that has been tested and proven, don't spend money on ads. A part of my business is a consultancy business, and in that consultancy business I've been asked to do webinars and seminars for the last year, and I haven't done that because I don't feel like I have enough persons to do something that big. I am still learning from my one-on-one experiences with my clients that this needs to be tweaked, this needs to be done. So I've been just doing it that way. I know from webinars and seminars, you get one big bulk of money and then you'll be like swimming in loads of cash for days. But I feel more comfortable working with someone on a one-on-one basis to ensure that they understand what I'm talking about and understand what is going on and track the results. So once you have a product, whether it be consulting or a tangible product, you have to test it, track it to ensure that it's successful. Then you can start to put ads on it to advertise it out, because you don't want to advertise something that when it comes back is going to problems and your customers are going to be mad and your clientele is going to be upset, and then you're going to ruin your reputation. The number 2 thing you shouldn't be spending on is a website. There are so many free ways to start a website that cost you $0. You really don't even have to have a website. You can have a simple landing page that will do anything and everything for you. With a landing page, you can get that from MailerLite or ConvertKit. They offer you a landing page when you're starting for 500 to 1,000 subscribers. So as soon as you get to 1,000, you're going to have to start thinking about buying into the platform and housing your subscribers in a bigger tier. Don't spend money on a website right now in a small business. Use a landing page, use something free, that'll be fine. You can use your Instagram, even your Facebook page can be set up in such a way that it feels a lot like a website. Accounting company to do your bookkeeping or accounting firm to do your bookkeeping is another thing you shouldn't be spending on right now. If you're a small business and you're just having very small amounts of money coming in, don't worry about getting a big accounting company. You can use apps and software like Waves and QuickBooks, and that can help with your bookkeeping. They're efficient, they're accurate, they're user-friendly. You can use that, and then when you get to the portion where you really need to balance your book, then you can definitely ask an accountant to help you. You can also go online and find different accountants that will do particular jobs for you for small amounts of money. So if you get to the point that you need to be doing your assets and liabilities or your taxes for the year for your business, hire somebody to just go through your books at the end of the year. And if you're doing it through Waves or QuickBooks, all they have to do is just take that data and analyze it and give you back a feedback. That's it. The number 4 thing you shouldn't be spending on is staff. If you are a one-man show right now, keep it a one-man show. Know when to delegate though. If you know that you're having problems and you know that you can't understand what's going on and you're making a lot of mistakes, then definitely think about outsourcing. But for right now, make it be that you know your product in and out, you know your clientele, your customers in and out, because if you don't, you won't be able to train staff members in how to deal with your clients, how to deal with your products, how to deal with certain scenarios, because you don't have the experience. You don't want to start a small business and then jump into hiring staff, because I can tell you, a lot of times the destruction of a small business, it's the staff that you're hiring who just doesn't care enough about your company. Number 5 thing you should not be spending money on in your business is a marketing strategy. For right now, you just need to understand your products, understand the market you're in, and set goals. If you're not setting goals, then you won't know what a marketing strategy is going to do for you. You wouldn't even know what kind of marketing strategy you need to get. You don't know if you need to create a website or market on social media or do texting or do on-ground promo. You won't know any of those things if you don't get the knowledge in your business first. Don't spend on a marketing company if you don't know what you want from it. You have to be careful when you're spending on marketing, because I can tell you, I'm a trained marketer. I have my degree in marketing, and we are taught to sell salt to a slug. We are taught to essentially make everything look pretty and awesome and great for you to buy. So from experience, from in the industry, I'm telling you, as a small business, you don't need a marketing strategy if you don't have the budget for it, you don't have the income coming in, you don't have the knowledge in your business, you don't have the knowledge in your clients. If you're having somebody to come in to do market research in your industry, that's different. And that's a different category. But for right now, a marketing strategy to improve sales or improve clientele when you're just starting out is not something you really need to invest in. You can do those research on your own and educate yourself. I hope you like this 5 in 5 tip, guys. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know that you do. I do appreciate you coming here. If you have any feedback whatsoever, leave it in the comment section. I respond to every single comment. No matter who, no matter what, I always do. I really appreciate what you're doing here for me by being here and watching this video. Thank you so much once again, and please stay tuned for the next video and start watching the other videos in the playlist.